Hey YouTube, welcome back. Listen, don't have much time, but I wanted to bring you guys along. Hit the like button, comment something down below. Let's go. This property has a old school drum trap. We're gonna get that out the best we can, and we're gonna be great. So, starting off, I had to go buy a Bauer tool. We are going to put it together and make some cuts. Hopefully I don't mess this up. Hopefully I don't start no fires, nothing like that, right? And we're going to be great, so pray for me. Let's go. Okay, the tool is set up. The area is almost prepped, ready to rock and roll. Gotta put some gloves on, get in there, start taking it apart. Hey, what up guys? So listen, it's day number two. Day number one, my Harbor Freight blades right here got eaten up. They're bye-bye. And this one is the same. This one is just too short. I had to go to Home Depot and get this little Diablo metal blade to do the job. Just to bring you in really quickly to show you what we're working with. This is what we're working with now. So we have a P-trap. I have to figure out some type of system for connecting this to that. And once we get that in there, we will be good. And then I'll just tighten everything up, water check it, and we will be good. I'm like $100 in material, like $100 in like tools. Now the tools are like kind of an investment, so I don't know if I should count that, but I'm like $200 in all in total. So hit the like button so I can start getting paid, guys. Hit the subscribe button to keep the little retention nice and strong. But I'm not gonna cap the video just yet. I'm gonna wait till I complete the job. That's gonna happen this weekend, and then we have this video ready to just rock and roll. So let's go. Working. I'm gonna show you what we got. Put this all together. It's good. There's no leaks, but underneath the tub, it is leaking back there. Back there, it's leaking. So I'm going to replace this, and I'm going to replace the plumber's putty. But I gotta get the right tools for that, so we'll save that for tomorrow. But listen, I'm thinking tomorrow, after I change that out, put this back up against the wall, we should be good, guys. So it is early in the morning, it's day whatever, and the old drum trap is out. Airline clogged up, but the new stuff is in, as you guys can see. Get this out of there. So that's what she's looking like. After doing a little bit of reading, it says to use silicone, not plumber's putty. So the plumber's putty says give it 24 hours before you use water. So we have to check it tomorrow around this time. But this is the new. I gotta clean all of this up too. Don't worry about it. I'm working, guys. Bear with me. Hit the like button, comment something down below. Maybe tomorrow I can show you guys me turning water on, showing that there's no more leaks. Until then.